Hello, dear students. Hope all of you had a good weekend. Now, let's move towards the third group of algae, the Rhodophyceae. The common members of this group are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, and Gelidium. Red color of this red algae is due to the predominance of red pigment phycoerythrin in their body. Actually, other pigments that which is present in the red algae are chlorophyll A, D, carotenoids and phycocyanin. The blue pigment are also present in red algae. Majority of the red algae are marine with greater concentrations found in the warmer areas. They occur in both well-lighted regions close to the surface of water and also at great depths. As a result, many red algae are confused with brown algae. One species of intertidal red algae named Hypnea spicifera is often mistaken to be a green algae as it appears bright green, and only the lower parts of the plants are pink, even though there are some unicellular red algae. You can see the image of Hypnea spicifera. Most of red algae are multicellular. Some of them have complex body organization. Many red algae are filamentous and have heterotrichous thallus. Hetero means different, trichous, trichome or filament. Heterotrichous means the presence of more than one type of the filament. During the development of Polysiphonia, just a branch creeping filament is produced. It functions mainly as holdfast. This creeping system of filaments will be giving further rise to the erect and branched filaments. You can see the image of Polysiphonia here. The food is stored as in the form of Floridian starch. The grains of Floridian starch are found in the cytoplasm. Usually it undergoes vegetative reproduction by the formation of thallus. They reproduce asexually by non-motile spores and they reproduce sexually by non-motile gametes accompanied by complex host fertilization developments. Now let's see the life cycle of Polysiphonia. We will start with the sporophyte thallus. You can see here. This is called tetrasporophytes because it produces 4 tetraspores in each tetrasporangium. Some of the tetraspores grow into a male gametophyte or thallus-bearing spermatangia. The main reproductive organs which reproduce haploid male gametes are spermatia. Singular form is spermatium. So you can see the male gametophyte here. The haploid female gametophyte plant body have female sex organ called carpegonium. Carpegonium is the singular form. Carpegonia is the plural form. The carpegonium is a flower-shaped body with a basal swollen region containing an egg, an elongated neck region called the trichogyne. You can see the image here. The spermatia are dispersed with the help of water. A spermatia become attached at the tip of the receptive trichogyne. Out of many, only one spermatium becomes successful. The common wall of the successful spermatium is and the trichogyne dissolve at the point of contact, and the male nucleus will be traveling to the female nucleus present at the base of the carpegonium. The fusion between nuclei will result in the formation of zygote. After fertilization, the carpegonium develops into a structure called cystocarp. You can see the image of cystocarp here. Carposporangium and carpospores are developed inside the cystocarp, here inside the cystocarp. Diploid carpospore on germination produces the diploid tetrasporophytic plant, and then thus the life cycle of Polysiphonia continues. Now let's see the uses of red algae. Agar, a jelly-like substance obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria, is used as a thickening agent. and also it is used in the bacterial culture and also in the preparation of ice creams and jellies. In Indian cuisine, it is known as China grass and it is used for making dessert as well as delicious pudding. Another substance called carrageenans, gelatinous extracts of the Chondrus crispus, are widely used in the food industry for their gelling, thickening and stabilizing properties. Or the milk products like chocolate milk. Or in the milk products you can see here. By the way, have you heard of sushi? Sushi is a Japanese dish made of rice and variety of ingredients such as seafoods and vegetables. Sushi is wrapped in sheets called nori sheets. You can see the image of nori sheets here, which is made up of algae. Nori is the Japanese name for edible seaweed species of the red algae genus Pyropia. That's all about the three main classes of algae. We have come across Chlorophysia, Phaeophysia and Rhodophysia. There is a homework for you. Differentiate between the following red algae as well as brown algae. You may read and learn the life cycle of Polysiphonia, and also you may go through the three classes of algae. Tomorrow we will come with the characteristics of algae. Thank you.